Yo guys, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Dan from CryptoRover and thank you once again for tuning into this amazing video. Guys, today I will be making a special video about the price action of Cardano and the reasons why I do feel very exciting about this one. So if you're interested in these kinds of videos, make sure to smash up the likes, guys. Let me know in the description what you think about Cardano at the moment. I'm very curious what you guys think, of course, but I do believe the reason why I'm making this video is because I do believe that we're seeing something very interesting and that we are right now getting a very good opportunity to accumulate some ADA for a relatively cheap price and also giving us some swing trade possibilities, because guys, I think we're heading towards insane levels. In this video we'll be discussing the bullish and of course the bearish scenarios, because yes, there are always some bearish scenarios flashing, but in particular, I just have to feel very extremely bullish about this one. I do believe that we're going to see sick volatility getting created to the upside. So guys, let me go right away into this video. It's a very quick update, so if you're interested in these kinds of videos that I talk about specific altcoins that are probably going to blast off to the upside, make sure to let me know, because then I will be doing it more frequently on the channel. And just like you can see on the previous video, we were talking about XRP going to $3, spotting it around 50 cents, and also talking about Chainlinks spotting it around $37. Guys, recently we are absolutely crushing it on the channel, so let me go into the price section of ADA and why I do believe that we're going to create sick follow-through. So first of all, you can see ADA is forming a down sloping resistance line here on the 1 hourly time frame, guys. I will be going into the bigger time frames as well in a second, but first I want to be discussing the lower time frame. So you can see you're forming a symmetrical triangle, very beautiful symmetrical triangle getting formed over here, and this is probably going to see a good follow-through getting created to the upside. This price target right away will be getting it in front of you guys. This price target can be pushing up the price towards $1.67 here. Is already a pretty good surge to the upside. It can be, since depends on the point of breakout, but will be approximately a 12% surge. So if you're taking it with a leverage rate, let's say you're using a 10x leverage, you can already make 120% gain. So that's already quite a lot, and it's already providing you the opportunities. So what we are also seeing right now is very interesting, because we're trading at support and we're also forming a bullish divergence currently. So you can see here we're creating a lower high in the RSI, we're creating a higher high in the price, higher low, sorry, in the price chart. So that's already giving us a signal. We are seeing a bullish divergence playing out on the 1 hour, and that can be pushing up the price in the immediate short term. So that's a good thing to see. And it's, of course, very lovely to see. So let me also identify the trend on the 4 hourly candles. We were previously seeing not a bearish divergence getting formed, but we are cooling up right now. And that is mainly because of Bitcoin, of course. Bitcoin cooling off for a second. And there's also the reason why we see that Cardano is falling off for a moment. But in my opinion, we're seeing very good things. And I mean, the most exciting charts are basically the Cardano compared to Bitcoin valuation and the Cardano compared to Ethereum valuation. Why I do feel so extremely bullish about it. So I will be going in these charts in a second. But of course, we first want to be discussing some entry possibilities for the price section of Cardano in the dollar valuation. So right away coming to this, guys, if you look at the 4 hourly candles, you can see here resistance. Once again, since we're breaking above this resistance, we are finding support on this level. So this absolutely looking bullish for me. Cardano is probably going to bounce back to the upside. So where should you be buying your Cardano? Of course, first of all, I'm saying if you're a spot trader, right away you should buy it. Right away, good buying opportunity right now. And don't think because the market sentiment is general to the upside, I think Bitcoin is going to create follow-through to the upside. I think, yeah, Cardano will be definitely following as well. So buying right now for your spot account is definitely not a bad opportunity here. If you're here to leverage trade, yes, you can be already opening your low leverage trade. And my strategy here, because I'm also accumulating a position right now if you're interested, my strategy here is, of course, opening my position over here. Once falling, I will be adding more and more. If we're going to create a wick on the lower side, I will be definitely adding more to my position. So already opened my position, going to add more and more if we're going to fall. But in general, I feel very exciting about it. And I will be going into depth why I do feel right now absolutely exciting. Because yes, this is already showing us some bullish signs, having a bullish crossover, etc. This is already good here. But we'll be going into the Ethereum and Bitcoin valuation. But first, let me identify the trend here on the daily time frame. Because yes, of course, you want to be trading with the trend, and I think the daily time frame is very important. So what you can see as well over here is that we were having a bullish crossover on the MACD. So bullish crossover on the MACD, probably going to see some volatility to the upside getting created. Momentum is still to the upside, not seeing a reversal yet here. There can be a probability that we're going to create a higher low. But I think in the immediate short term, in the coming 4 days or so, we're going to see insane follow-through getting created. But yeah, the trend is still basically the upside, setting higher lows. We are yeah, looking good if you want to be buying into it right now, especially if you are a spot trader. So guys, let me go into the very exciting chart. So let me first discuss this, the chart of ADA compared to Ethereum. So guys, this is the chart that I do want to be talking about. This was the reason why I'm making this video as well here. So we are forming a descending triangle right now. Of course, I know descending triangles are very bearish bias patterns, but in the end of the day, if you're forming these kinds of patterns, in a bull market, they usually tend to break to the upside, and you can see, of course, we created this one from of a big pump to the upside. So yeah, we are going into this this one to the upside, but usually these are very bearish bias patterns because they're setting the same lows but higher lows. Yeah, it's not looking good. Of course, the patterns are usually not good, but it really depends on which target it will be breaking out to. So I do believe that we're going to break to the upside, and the reason why is, as you can see here, this was resistance since 2018 here. We formed this big resistance target, and we couldn't break through it. So recently we broke above it, and I don't think that we're necessarily going to break below this level that easily because it's just very strong support, and Cardano is just in general looking absolutely bullish, but it has not been moving here compared to Ethereum. So if we flip it back to the 4-hourly candles, you can see here forming this descending triangle, guys, and the breakout target can be quite immense, of course, if we're going to break to the downside, because yes, we also want to be looking at the bearish scenario, because yes, we can still see a breakdown. I'm not saying that we're not going to see it, but I do think it's more likely to see a move to the upside getting created. So there can be a possibility that we're going to break down here, and if we're going to break down, it can be a move to the downside of approximately 80%. And do I believe that is going to happen for Cardano? No, I don't believe so. So yeah, if you look at a possible price target to the upside, guys, this will be, of course, absolutely insane here. And of course, in the end of the day, you should be trading these ones on the breakout. But this one over here is signifying that we can be seeing a 71% pump to the upside compared to Ethereum, and that can give us very good returns, of course. And that is the reason why I'm front-running this market. I'm buying cheap, I'm trying to sell high, I'm not going to FOMO in on highs, I'm going to buy in low, and I'm going to sell high here. And that is the reason why I'm talking right now about ADA. I see a lot of people are talking about it. Only people are talking about it once it is sitting at new all-time highs. But guys, we want to be accumulating our positions at cheap prices, and that's the reason why I'm making this special video. So also, another reason to believe that Cardano is absolutely going to blast off to the upside is, of course, the Cardano compared to Bitcoin valuation. And the Cardano compared to Bitcoin valuation is also looking absolutely bullish. You can see here symmetrical triangle getting formed as well on the Cardano compared to Bitcoin chart. And this one is also pretty interesting because you can see here we got stopped out here. This is just not a level that we're just going to ignore. We are in a bull market, guys. For the altcoin season is here. Are we going to stop over here? No, I don't think so. Are the altcoins going to blast off? Yes, I do think so. So you can see over here, and we reverse the trend from the downside to the upside, and we're right now retesting the previous resistance as support. Is this bullish? Yes, it is extremely bullish, guys. Are we going to go to new all-time highs? Yes, we are going to go to new all-time highs anytime soon here. And you can see, guys, the symmetrical triangle. Of course, this on the daily candles. On the 4-hour, it's showing a little bit more significance, but you can see the breakout target. We already broke out of the symmetrical triangle, but the breakout target is still quite far to the upside. So this is also a reason why I do believe, yes, we can also be creating some more volatility compared to Bitcoin as well. Of course, if it is going to gain compared to Ethereum, there are two things that can be happening. It can be so that Ethereum is losing valuation and Cardano isn't, or it can be that Cardano is pumping and Ethereum is doing nothing. And I do think it's the second one, and then we will be probably also seeing the volatility create in the Bitcoin comparison. So I definitely think that we're going to reach a price target. You can see also over here, since breaking above it, we are retesting this resistance line as support. Successful, retest, and it's looking absolutely bullish. So, guys, there are multiple reasons why I'm saying this. Of course, the daily, we are still having bearish divergences, and this is, of course, the bearish scenario that we do want to be discussing. On the daily, we are still setting lower highs in the RSI. We're setting higher highs in the price chart. That is, of course, showing us some bearish signs. But yeah, we are in a bull market. Will I be looking to it? Yes, of course. Do I think we're going to crush for the all-time high? Yes, I think that's more likely to see. So this was my quick video that I made here. So hopefully you guys you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you're benefiting from it. Hopefully you can be accumulating your position as well. And if you want to be trading, I mean, make sure to sign up with the referral link in the description, guys. Soon I will be doing a special tournament once again. So if you're interested, make sure to already sign up with the Famix referral link in the description, because then we can be crushing the market all together. Make sure to do your own research, but I am right now looking to the sleeping giant once again, guys. Cardano is absolutely going to moon anytime soon here. So, guys, thank you so much for watching to this quick video. Hopefully, I'm going to see you back later today in the live stream. And don't forget to peace out. Goodbye.